Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone Purpurite, the Stone of Enlightenment. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. I hope you enjoy this next meditation. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is available now. If you're interested in checking that out, I will put a link in the eye above and in the description box below. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life to help you make real change with real situations in your life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the supportive benefits of the stone, and then deciding if it's one that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Purpurite, I'll link that up in the eye above or in the description box below as well, if you want to check that out to hear some more detailed information about how Purpurite can support your life. If you do have a piece of Purpurite, I suggest that you go get that and put that by your meditation space now. But a piece of Purpurite is not required to benefit from this guided meditation. You can imagine a shiny purple stone in your mind, and if any of the questions that I pose, they stand out to you, they speak to you, or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get this stone and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we start this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes as we sit in meditation. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels to breathe right now. What are the qualities of your breathing? Smooth, restricted, deep, shallow. How is it for you? Bringing your attention to the rest of your physical body to notice if there are any physical sensations standing out to you right now. What are they? Then drawing up to your heart center and recognizing if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then coming on up to your mind, checking in with the state of your mind. Is it calm, distracted, busy? And we're not trying to change anything or make it any certain way. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. How are you? right now. And then bringing your awareness to those parts of your body that touch the cushion or chair or the ground beneath you, and remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire planet, fully supported by the entire mass of the earth. You have access to all of Mother Earth's energy, so you are guided and supported during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of purpurite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. If you don't have a piece of purpurite, then imagining a flashy, shimmery purple stone in your mind. But if you're holding one, then take a moment to get to know your piece of purpurite, to feel it in your hand, to feel its weight, its shape, to run your fingers over the surface and get to know the texture. And take a minute to get to know your piece of purpurite. And notice if anything has changed in your body, heart, or mind since you've picked up the stone. And imagine that there is a strong white channel of energy running down from the crown of your head all the way down your center to your seat. And the energy flows easily up and down this channel. And sit with this image of purpurite energy for a minute. Purpurite is the stone of enlightenment. And as you hold or imagine the gemstone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you a seeker on a spiritual journey? Do you wish to expand or strengthen your spiritual practice? Would you like to deepen your meditation practice, have more focus and concentration while you meditate? Will you soon be public speaking? And would you like more confidence speaking and sharing your ideas? Would you like to release old habits and reaction patterns that are no longer serving you. All of these situations are supported by purpurite. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, your body, your mind. And sit with this scenario, this life situation for a minute or two while you hold or imagine the purpurite stone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about this situation since you've been holding the stone. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the purpurite energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your normal, regular breathing. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me to meditate with purpurite today. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like purpurite is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone when you need it. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life to really enact some true change and improvement by knowing which situations in life that you want help with, which gemstones can help you, and using them when you need them. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you're not yet subscribed, you're new to the channel, and you want to learn about a wide variety of gemstones, then do make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again next week.